Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to view Facebook feed in chronological order on mobile. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Make sure your Facebook app is updated to the newest available version. To begin, open Facebook on your phone and scroll down a little on your timeline. You should see a menu bar appear at the top. Tap Recent to switch your timeline to chronological order with newest posts appearing first. If you tap Favorites, you will see only posts from people and pages you have favorited, that have been shared in the last 3 days. Tap Home to switch back to the regular newsfeed view based on Facebook's algorithm. To customize your newsfeed further, tap the switch on the right. You will see the 3 options I just covered in this menu, as well as a shortcut to your newsfeed settings. Tap Newsfeed Preferences to manage these settings. Here you can add or remove people and pages from your favorites list, to prioritize whose posts you see in your feed. You can also unfollow people to stop seeing their posts from here. You can reconnect with people you have unfollowed. And you can manage your snooze settings, if you have temporarily snoozed someone to stop seeing posts from them for a while. If you do not see that option in your timeline, you can get this from Settings. Tap the 3 lines from the bottom right corner. Then tap See More. Scroll a little. And tap on Recent and Favorites. So these are all the things you need to know about viewing Facebook feed in chronological order on mobile. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.